Mira, today we're in Cali, Colombia. This is Barrio San Fernando. We got some fruit, we got some nuts. This is a great place to have lunch. You get some healthy fats and proteins, some fruit. Vegans, this is perfect for you. This is chonto duro. This is really healthy for you, good healthy fats. From what I hear, it's really good for the brajol. This is El Mio. This is the transportation system in Cali. This is their bus line. This will go all the way south and it'll go all the way north. So this direction is south. More chonto duro. These buses get really full, but they're really fun. Really cost efficient. ¿Qué tal?
Yo, ¿qué ve?
¿Qué?
Y esa cámara, ve.
¿Ah, sí?
Eso, man. Pero ¿para qué?
Para mí.
Creo que le hago fotocopia.
Sí. Para disfrutar Cali, Colombia. ¿Qué le gusta? ¿Le gusta Cali? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Venezuela? ¿De dónde eres? Hola, señora. ¿Qué es eso?
4 por 1000 pesitos la orden, calientico.
¿Y cuánto cuesta?
De queso, 4 por 1000 pesitos la orden.
Repita.
Calientico de queso.
4 por 1000. Gracias. ¿Es queso adentro o solo?
A la orden, 4
Oh, so that's a cheese roll wrapped in bread, and you get 4 of them for ¿cuántas? 1,000. 4,000. Uno por 4,000.
4 por 1000 pesitos la orden, calientico de
Ah, 4 por 1000. With the music, with their advertising playing, it's hard to hear them. Gracias, muy amable. Over here they do like a recording. Americans probably wouldn't like that again. Chonto duro, muy rico. This is where you want to go. That's going to be a little bit more fattening. So right here, this is going to be more healthy. So you're going to get your honey and you put it right on the chonto duro. You're going to get protein, you're going to get fats, and you're going to get carbohydrates. Plus you're going to get a ton of micronutrients. This is the place you want. This is what you want to eat when you're in Cali, Colombia. The best, healthiest street food you're going to find is right here. ¿Comprendes? ¿Me comprendes? No, estoy diciendo es muy saludo, muy sano, es bueno para comer, tiene proteína, grasa bueno, muchos micronutrientes de todo. ¿Y cuánto vale? ¿Cuánto vale para paquete? 3,000. 3,000 y 2,000. 3,000 pesos. That's 75 cents. You can get enough calories in and enough proper micronutrients in for 75 cents. voy a enviar un promociones para ti. Voy a invitar a mis gringuitos para visitarlo. Porque Cali es una chimba. Chauito. ¿De dónde eres? ¿Aquí o otro lugar?
Aquí en Colombia.
Sí, sí. Bicycles that go, we have motorcycles that go right up on the sidewalk. They go the wrong way, they come around. They make up their own rules over here. So you gotta be careful with the motorcycles over here. Look at this guy over here, he's coming down on the sidewalk. He's on the sidewalk, he's on a motorcycle. They're supposed to follow the directions of a car, but they don't do that here.
Yes.
Hey, ¿qué tal Colombia? Sí. Colombia es una chimba, el digo. Motorcycles the way to go because it's a lot cheaper. You can buy them, but they're very dangerous because there's a lot of mortalities through motos. That's the best one I like. Here's some healthy cures for coco de qué. ¿Qué es eso? Coco de qué. Oh, crema para. This is for your skin. They look good. Muy bueno. Chauito. This is sugar cane. This is sugar cane. And sometimes you can just buy glasses right out in the street over here. ¿Qué tal? ¿Aparece paisa? ¿Sí o no? ¿No le gusta el sol? Me encanta. You can buy fruits right over here. It's better to buy, listen, if you're gonna buy fruits, come down here and buy fruits because this goes right into a person's pocket. When you buy fruits and exit though, it's going into some millionaire's pocket. Take care of the locals when you come here. You can get some julerias. The julerias is very beautiful. Look, they're all handmade. And then you can come here and get some great fruit, get some micronutrients, the vitamin C. That looks like oranges and mangoes. Naranja y mangos, ¿verdad? Sí, rico, muy rico. ¿Y cuánto cuesta?
Guayaba manzana.
¿Cuánto?
A 4,000.
4,000. That's less than $1 for a beautiful mango. Sí. ¿Es aguacate?
Mango.
Ah, mango. Rico y grande. Tengas buen día con Dios. More chonto duro, the best thing you should be eating. You gotta eat the chonto duro. That's my gym over here, Smart Fit. I have a black membership there. The reason I got membership black, it's so that I can go to any Smart Fit anywhere in the world. And it's one straight price because they're everywhere. I thought that was a Colombian-owned business, but they're actually Brazilian. Hola. ¿Me comprendes? ¿Sí? So you don't understand. This street is called La Quinta. From this street, you go all the way down here, you'll come right to Jardín Plaza. You ride this road, you're gonna go all the way up north. It'll take you all the way up. Over here is a pharmacy. I don't recommend this one. I know I'm trying not to do anything negative, but they never have what you want and they never have the right price. Salud. Salud. You got a Western Union in here where you can change money, but there's better places where you can change. So what you do is you go in, you get their price, and then you search around. Cosechas. That's like the smoothie king of Colombia. They have everything fresh, everything you want. It's right in there. It is the best. It is the best fruit in the world. Right there. I've never had a better. The absolute best batidos in the world are right here in Cosechas. This bank is the banks in Colombia are not going to switch your money. So you have to go to specifically a bank that's going to switch your money. As you can see, you got motorcycles that ride right on the sidewalk. It's kind of like driving here is mayhem. It's less crazy than the Dominican Republic, but it's still mayhem. The craziest place to earth on drive is absolutely the Dominican Republic, but Colombia is second to that. And if you go to Panama used to be psychotic like 20 years ago, but they've cooled down a lot. The police stepped down on a lot of people driving crazy, and they straightened it out. And it's funny that they said, like 20 years ago, they said it's going to take 20 years to calm Panama down with the driving, and they did a great job. The first thing they did is they got rid of El Diablos. That's the old buses. Those guys, they used to put lunatics in there from like Curundú and El Chorrillo and put them in there, and they drive like lunatics. And they killed El Diablos in Panama. Those buses killed more people than the murderers in Colombia. So the most dangerous, back in the day, this was 20 years ago, they were killing more people than the sicarios. And to this day, in the Dominican Republic, the dangerous place to be is driving. It's not being in a dangerous neighborhood. It's not worrying about a murderer. It's worrying about people driving like lunatics. And it's probably the same here in Colombia, but I don't know the stats. But I do know the stats in DR. The stats in DR, the people drive like lunatics. Hola.
Hola.
And then we got this guy over here. Remember back in the day with the lunatics walking around like this with the mask on? Hey, ¿qué tal? Kivo, ¿todo bien? ¿Qué tal Cali Colombia? Colombia muy chimba, ¿no? Hi. Oh, she's not friendly today. This area is going to save you a lot more money than if you stay in Jardín. If you stay in the Jardín area, it's more money. Sudar, Jardín, it's more money, but it is better looking. This area is more aged. It has more years on it. We got more guys driving on the sidewalk. That's just so I know that I'm in Colombia. And then we got this guy, he's left over. He's left over from the pandemic. ¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien? Buenas tardes.
Bueno.
¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien? Oh, we got the mask. More masks. Hola. Please use the walkovers, because I see people running across this street, and that's like Frogger back in the day. It's extremely dangerous. The reason you're going to hear a lot of beeping in Latin America is because they choose to beep the horn instead of put the brake on. I'm not kidding. Anytime they're supposed to be braking, instead of putting the brake on, they just hit the horn. Like, it means you put the brake on. That's how people get hurt. So please, be very cautious in Latin America.